Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ram 3500 HD. Oh, there's snow back there. Okay, that explains a lot. Fifth wheel compatible. This has the air suspension. I mean, this thing is as fully loaded as you can get. It is missing the fender extenders. It just came off the truck today. Yesterday, I'm sorry. Came off the truck yesterday. So, need parts? We got parts. Want fender flares? We got fender flares. Not sure those are mats. But, want fender flares? We got fender flares. Kind of refrigerated area. It acts like a kind of like a cooler. I love this material. It's like Alcantara, but 20 times nicer. This features the high output inline 6.7 Cummins. Once I figure out how to open up the hood, we'll take a quick peek at what we can see. Aha! We can see nothing because I am so short. Wow. 6.7 liter inline 6. Throttle's right here. That's pretty crazy to think about. Your turbo and wastegate and all that fun stuff. Making 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, you're gonna need a turbo. And holy fan, look at that. This is the first time I've looked under the hood of one of these. That is pretty massive. Okay, come on down, Bessie. This is, I think, my favorite truck I've ever driven. This spec is just absolutely awesome. It's definitely one of my favorites. And now, hey, get off of my arm. Starts out at $53,900. This one's optioned to $83,245. This is just the Laramie pack. Let's see, little Easter eggs. Slides forward. You see the evolution of Ram down there. This slides forward and back. You have a wireless charger. It's called a Ram charger. The high output, which is $12,000. Automatic level rear air suspension. Just holy cow, this thing's loaded. Push button start, foot on the brake. That's pretty cool. Put into a haul. Get that. Cooled seats. I mean, this thing is just absolutely loaded. Harman Kardon sound. Sunroof. I mean, this is just the Laramie pack. You can option these up limited, but this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, I'm in love with this truck already. Apps. Surround camera. Cargo camera. Right, so this thing is just absolutely loaded. Oh yeah. Get a backup beeper too. Gonna leave it on boost gauge. You have gear limiters. I mean, your DEF filter, oil life, fuel filter life, battery voltage, exhaust brake. Wait, did that say exhaust brake temperature? Huh, that's pretty cool. All your auxiliary switches. Don't think this has a high idle. If it does, I can't seem to find it. Leave it on boost pressure. Have a gear limiter. I mean, is it just that light? No. All right, let us go for a drive. Let's do that. That'll be pretty interesting, because I think the last one I drove, I kept it on boost pressure. Oh, this thing is just, oh, massive. Come on. This thing is a truck and a half. Of course, with the dual rear axles, it's quite wide, barely fits in the lane. Thing is, the Cummins is the only diesel in the heavy duty trucks that is actually commercially used in semi trucks. It is the most, well, I shouldn't say most well known, but the most used in the heavy duty semi truck market. And you can just tell by the sound. It sounds exactly like a semi. And it hauls, man. I'm 90% sure it's boost by gear, because it feels like it hauls more, or it pulls more and more and more once you get the speed higher and higher and higher. This is where I have to be extremely careful, because I don't fit in these lanes. It is right on the edge on both sides. That's why if you see me slam on the brakes when there's a car coming the other way, that's why. See what I mean? See, because unlike a normal car, where if your mirrors fit, you do, which I think that works here. The back wheels are so far out that I'm sitting here like, oh yeah, I pass it. No, the rear wheels are still out there more. They're where the side mirrors are. So it takes a lot of getting used to keep that in your mind and realize, oh wait, I have to give myself a lot more room or else I'm not gonna fit. Can you tell I'm stressed? No? No? Is it not that obvious? Haha, whoa. Look in the mirror and you just see that my tires were right on that white line. They still are. Alright, so my tires are on that white line and on the yellow. You got about 2 or 3 inches to spare. Oh. However, it's only on these tight back roads that it's like that. And that's the case with every dual axle truck. Let's see how this thing does 0 to 60. Here we go. Hook up, come on. Now we're pulling. Oh yeah. It's boost by gear. Absolutely. Oh. Once you're above like 40 and you can really put some power down, this thing hauls, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.